Hello, this is Robin Sampson McCarthy with BibleJournalClasses.com. Our Symbolism Bible Journal class begins August 1st, and I'm going to share one of the booklets with you in this video. The Symbolism Blue Kit has a vintage Victorian feel, and today I'm going to show you how I assemble this pocket folio. It's a beautiful functional element I originally designed for the wilderness lesson, but you don't have to feel limited. This folio can be used with any project in this class, or even a different study, or even your personal scrapbook. I created mine to fit perfectly inside an 8x8 album. Now, in the instructional video, you'll notice the journal cards. There are 24 topical lessons in the Bible symbolism class. Each one explores 5 to 7 Bible symbols in depth, like light, water, fire, the wilderness, the sand, the cloud, a pillar of fire. For every lesson, you can download a set of these labeled journal cards. They'll help you reflect on each symbol, whether you write down the key scriptures or notes or personal insights or connections to your own life. The cards come in printable PDFs and digital pings. That means you can print them out, write by hand, or use them in Canva or Photoshop and type directly into the cards. They're designed to fit in your treasure journal or scrapbook. Let's get started on how to make this square pocket folio. First, you're going to print the template pages onto heavyweight cardstock. I recommend 65 pounds a minimum. I usually use about 80. You can go all the way to 110 pounds. You'll find all the parts of the folio laid out clearly. Very easy to cut. I've lined them up, including the main base, the pockets, and the tags. Carefully cut along the solid black lines around each. This includes the large folio base, the 2 side pockets, the decorative tabs, and the front flap. Use a scoring tool or the back of a butter knife and score along the fold lines shown on the folio base. These are the lines where the flap folds inward. Once you score them, they fold very easily. And you can see the edges are already inked when you print them out. This is a tiny scoring tool that I use, and it works just as well as the big expensive one. You can use any glue, tacky glue. Everybody loves Aleene's glitter glue, which has nothing to do with glitter, or a plain glue stick. I am going to use score tape, and the reason is because I'm doing it in a video and I don't have to wait for anything to dry. Also, I'm a little bit messy with glue. I'm 70 now, and when I get glue on me, I get it all over everything. So score tape is not necessary, but I find it easier for me for speed. And because I'm writing the lessons as well as creating these, I need all the time I can get. Once you glue, I go ahead and place them down, and I apologize that I'm off the screen, and I got a new video holder and I didn't set it up correctly. So there it is, and then we're going to put this pocket. Now later on I ended up deciding I wanted a solid blue pocket that in the center to showcase the verse. And of course you can make it however you want. This pocket is just perfect to put in 6 journal cards, and you get journal cards for every lesson. And then make sure you use your bone folder to press that down. Now you could use a magnet closure. I have some little magnets that I want to use for the magnet closure, but I'm not going to let you watch me stumble through trying to put this magnet on, so I'm not going to include that in this video. But that's one option. There's also several different ways that you could close this pocket so it'll stay closed. I made this booklet to fit inside an 8x8 album, one that I purchased at Amazon that has thick craft paper, because I just did not have time to create a base. So here's the album that I'll be putting it in. And actually it's more like 7.5 by 7 3/4, but you get the idea. And so you can slip that right into your album. And there's enough room on the page that you can still decorate with the embellishments and another pocket, and maybe some tags. So you can see there are lots of places you can slip and tuck in the center, in the bottom, or one of the side pockets. It's a fun little folio with many creative possibilities. To learn more about the Bible symbolism class and our offer for membership that gives you access to all my classes, visit BibleJournalClasses.com. I'll see you in the Facebook group.